Hi, I'm John Verwey. Another perfect day here in Germany. What may not look so perfect is all the fog up here. Through that fog, behind there is the Castle Neuschwanstein. Up there on the mountain, you see the cable car there just hanging there waiting to move. That takes you up to the top of the mountain here, Tegelberg. But in the fog, we don't see anything. See all the snow cannons ready to produce some great skiing conditions over there on the hill up here all the way through. Everything is all ready to function, and yet here we are in the fog. And that's how we live as human beings. It's been said that we're creatures of habit, and there's no doubt about that. It's our habits that keep us exactly in this fog. It's when we're able to get away from the fog, when we're able to get an idea of what's in our subconscious, the castles, the snowy hills, the mountaintops, everything that we want in life is available to us, but it's not visible because of our habits. When we change our habits, then we change our visibility, and when we change our visibility, then we see everything that's possible, everything that's around us, that's just ready there waiting for us. But until we change the habits that keep us in this fog, then we're stuck in what we're doing. The first step in changing our habits comes from changing our mindset, and changing our mindset comes from understanding how our mind functions. If you'd like to learn more, then click on the link and let's get started. I put a 1-hour workshop on that is life-changing. It'll be the best money that you ever spent for some quick results that are lasting.